stress.
I didn't really do anything, or I didn't do it
I
good.
have something I want to do, and not very much time to do it. At home, I'm just looking forward to getting on my couch and off my feet.
But that could also be because I drink caffeine. It's hard to like breathe in fully.
I haven't been there for them. I feel really grateful for
What if I don't work
because I don't know where to go.
Time to just exist and not think about things.
Stressed. I feel so you have less reason to speak to people in the city because there's just so many people, and I have zero alone time. There's no personal space anymore.
I feel bad because I'm like, oh, what do I overwork myself like doing nothing?
That silence, that way. I'm sure that
Whether or not
are they intoxicated or on a certain side, or are they hungry?
or that I thought I did wrong. Oh, I didn't really do anything, or I didn't do it better because I find sometimes it's hard.
Sometimes I feel like I'm being watched.
We're excited to tour you guys the facility today and talk about our partnership. My name's Svelke. I'm co-founder of High Street Cannabis. I'm part of the founding team, been in the cannabis industry for over 20 years now. My legacy story is a product of my environment. We grew up in the Okanagan Valley, a hotbed for cannabis production, from the likes of genetics, from the likes of growing, the environment, and the knowledge that's been passed down generationally there.
Hey, Wazowski, nice job. Those numbers are pretty sweet, are they? You know, I haven't even noticed. Oh, and how's Georgie doing? He's doing great. I love working with that big guy.
Keep the doors coming, Charlie. I'm on a roll today.
George and I are like brothers. 2319! We have a 2319!